Make a meaningful sentence by using given phrases. In front of. She was sitting in front of house. To look for. He is look for his book. To be interested in. Neha is interested in listening a song. To be known as. He is known as popular social worker. A lot of. He had a lot of money. Without any support. I completed my work without any support. To give up. You should give up this bad habit. This is a very important question for SSC board examination in English question paper. Question number 1, language study.